Cut the sealing tape on the box. Take out the Easwe F10 main frame. Remove all protective foam. Open the battery package. Install the battery onto the wheelchair. Press the lock and insert the battery. A click sound indicates it is locked in place. Press the button to lift the armrest. The armrest locks automatically when lowered. The armrest is adjustable and extendable. The other side works the same way. Pull the motor lever back for manual mode. The power must be off before pushing the wheelchair. The wheelchair can be pushed easily. Push the motor lever forward for automatic mode. Use the joystick to control movement. Turn on the controller. Five speed levels. Long press the power button to turn off. Press decelerate and horn together to auto fold. The display shows F for fold mode. Press accelerate and horn together to auto unfold. The display shows U for unfold mode. Connect the plug and the power adapter. Plug the charger into the controller power port. Press the release button to remove the battery. The battery can be charged separately. Align the battery with the slot. A click sound confirms installation. Seat and back cushions are removable. A storage basket is located underneath. The rear safety light stays on. Touch to turn on the light. The armrests can be lifted for easy access. Allows easy access in and out.